Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to loop videos on YouTube. Let's get started. Firstly, we can go ahead to our mobile browser. So just like for example, I have here Google Chrome and we're just going to type in here YouTube. So we're going to click that. And once we are here, we can go ahead and click the three dots here. And right after that, we're going to scroll up and we're just going to click here, request desktop site. We're going to click this. And once we already have a desktop view on our mobile device, what we can do then is to look for any video then. So just like for example, this one, we're just going to use this. And if we wish that we are going to have a loop on this particular video, what we are going to do then is to long press on this video. And if you notice, the following will prompt on our screen. So we're just going to click loop then. And basically the loop is now turned on this particular video. So there you have it. That's how we are going to turn on loop on YouTube videos. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.